Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever received a Figma file or you're just starting out with design tools, this is the perfect video for you. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to open a Figma file right in your browser without any confusion or hassle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your designs, how to explore different projects, and how to get started working with Figma's online platform like a pro. Alright, let's jump straight in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to www.figma.com. This is your main gateway to everything Figma related. You don't need to download anything. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account. You'll land on the Figma dashboard, which is kind of like your personal mission control for all your design work. Take a moment and get familiar with this space. You'll be coming back here often. Now, if you're looking for a specific file, you'll want to start by navigating through your projects. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled All Projects. Click on that. This will show you every project you have access to, whether it's something you created or something that's been shared with you. If you're not sure which project your file is in, don't worry, just take your time and scan through the list. Think of it like browsing through folders on your computer. When you find the project you think the file might be in, click on that project. This will open up all the files inside, making it easy to spot the one you need. Here's a quick tip. Sometimes we might have a lot of files in our dashboard, especially if you've worked on multiple projects or collaborated with teams. If you're struggling to find your file, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly type in the name of your file or even keywords you remember. This saves a ton of time compared to scrolling, especially if your workspace is busy. If you're not looking for a specific design file but maybe want to explore new ideas, Figma also offers a range of templates and tools. Over in the templates section, you'll find ready-made layouts you can open and customize, perfect if you need a starting point or want to see how professionals structure their files. And under Tools, you can browse plugins, which are like small apps that add extra features to Figma. This is great if you want to extend your workflow, maybe adding icons directly or automating repeated tasks. Once you've found the file, template, or tool you want to open, all you need to do is click it. You'll see an option that says Open in Figma. Go ahead and click that. After a few moments, your file will load up right there in your browser. You can view, edit, or share all without installing anything at all. That's really all there is to it. Sometimes the first time you open a file, it can take a few moments to load, especially if it's got a lot of images or complex layers, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up instantly. Hopefully, you now feel confident navigating Figma's dashboard and opening up files, whether they're your own creations or templates to help kickstart your next design. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about using Figma or want to see more design tutorials, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.